Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today we are going to continue. I started patching the front quarter panel and getting that all good to go and taken care of, and then we're going to continue working around the car like I left off on the last video. So yeah, let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I got these all sanded down and I got them filled. So those are the few imperfections that I had. There we go. So that's kind of where we're at on there. And then like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more of the, some more of that stuff on and go all the way down, more of the guide coat, powdered guide coat on, and then just keep working down the car over here. And then if I have enough time today, I would like to start working on the roof here. So that's all gonna be time permitting. So let's get busy. Alrighty, so we got everything all sanded down with 240 up here. There's some spots that I'm gonna definitely have to go back. Okay, that I'm gonna have to go back over and fill in. This is part of that slick sand. It's smooth. It's just, yeah, or not slick sand, whatever it is. That's what that is. But anyway, forgot what I was saying. Squirrel, losing my train of thought. But anyway, so I got all this sanded down with 220. It's pretty much good to go. There is some stuff that I have to fill on this. Let's see if we can pick it up or not. So these right here, some of these are little pinholes, and then over here as well. So I'm gonna go through with these and get those filled in down here. But everywhere else on this front fender is smooth and perfect. And this fender as well is smooth and perfect. Super, super soft. Holy cow. Just super dusty though. So, and then also there's some pinholes in here. Let me see if I can pick them up. Yeah. So you see all these little holes, these little teeny pinholes? I'm gonna have to go around and all the putty areas and get these filled in, because if I don't, you will definitely see them in the paint. So I thought I was gonna get to the roof today, but obviously I didn't. I've been out here sanding. So what I didn't show you on camera was I was sanding like all these little cracks and like inside these lenses here and up in here and back in there, and getting all that perfectly good to go, and then the other side. So that took a good probably about hour and 20 minutes or so. But that's where we're at. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I need to clean out my garage. I know it doesn't make sense to clean the garage before I do the roof, but today is the day after the 4th of July, the 5th. So I'll be having my baby sometime either this week or next weekend. So this is the last day that I have to work on this, and I'm just gonna go spend some time with the wife or just relaxing and enjoying this 100-degree weather that we're having. But anyway, yeah, let me get this pulled out. I'll do a cold start, and then I'll get her pulled out for you guys, and then, yeah, I'll see ya. Gotta love that fuel injection. Starts right up. So glad I got this opposed to a carburetor. Man, you can't beat it. Go ahead and get a shot of what she's looking like now. She's not looking too bad. I'm really happy with how it's looking. Got a lot of a lot of work done, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of where she's at. So you heard it die a couple times. So I think the torque converter on it is actually way too small for the cam and the gearing that I got. So that's why it died when I was pulling it out. But hopefully I'll get a new cam and we can get that all remedied. I said new cam, but I meant torque converter. Needs a new torque converter, needs a higher stall torque converter. I think maybe a 2500, 3000 RPM stall. So, but anyway, everybody, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I got that glare. Yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could hit the thumbs up, that would be great. smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and then hit that little bell notification so you know when my next videos are coming out. So we will catch you all next time. See you later. Peace.